non-rectangular or ragged 2D lists. So in 112, we assume that when we deal with 2D lists, they are rectangular. That is, each row has the same number of columns. Python does not enforce this. Python doesn't actually require it at all, but we do. So you get to actually assume that. There are some problems, though, where that's not true, where the nature of the problem requires that different rows have different size number of columns. Fine, this is such a list, and in those cases, these are called non-rectangular for natural reasons. It's not a rectangle. Sometimes they're also called ragged 2D lists. Those are synonyms. In any case, the way you handle this is fairly straightforward. Here we're going to actually print out the values in this 2D list, but in this, it's not really a 2D list. It's a non-rectangular or ragged 2D list. The key is that the number of columns cannot be set to the len of a of 0, but must be determined as per each row. In each row, you have to pull out the number of columns for that row. That's the only difference. From then on, it looks just like the old code from above. And sure enough, row 0 has 3 columns because we're able to pull out len of a of 0. There it is, gives us 3, and then we can access them. But row 1 has only 2 columns and so forth. So this is the magic line that lets you deal with ragged 2D lists.